Hey, Melanation Gang, what's up? You already know it's your girl, the newbie, the Nova, back with another one. You already know. So I'm at my favorite freaking store. You already know. Oh, well, I can't see with this. Maybe if I flip the screen around. But at Natural Foods for Living, if you've been following me for a while, y'all already know I love this freaking store. And I remember, I was just sitting here. I remember the first time I walked in there, I was like, "Oh, it stink," and walked right back out. But now I just love this store, and I'm getting back into shopping at this store. Okay, so I just got my okra and mint water. I've been doing okra and mint water the last couple days, which I think I'm about to the more and more I'm getting on this journey and my fasting and stuff like that. I've been telling y'all my Terra community I'm getting back on this journey I'm about to be bringing back these health videos. Okay, it's just more and more stuff just in the fucking food, and it's just driving me nuts. And I'm still probably gonna come drop that video for y'all. So today I got me some plantains. I never tried these before. Normally when I get my plantains, I'm either out of the country, and the only other place I had them was at the Cheesecake Factory, and they slapped a little bit. Oh, and it was just a Jamaican place in the mall. I had got some from there, but they really didn't give me that many, so I was kind of upset. I love these chips. I'm trying to cut out flour because these do got flour in it and the cane sugar, but I really, really wanted these fucking chips. I've been wanting these chips for 2 months, and I done cut out a lot of chips. The only thing I'm really about to be eating is the purple tortilla chips, because it don't got no milk or no gluten or nothing in it. I'm not supposed to be eating eggs, but I love this egg salad from in there. They weigh it for you. So I had got these. I'm about to eat this for my snack because I've been fasting all day, and it's already damn near almost 6 o'clock. And my supplement for my Candida cleanse didn't come yet. So I'm about to the last little bit of foods I'm kind of craving before I just dive all the way in. You feel me? I've been wanting some other alternative as far as eating nuts and stuff. So I got me some organic cashew butter, y'all. This shit was $8, but it looked really, really good. It was between this and the almond one, and my spirit guides told me to get this one, so this is the one I got. It's real thick and creamy, man. Also, I never had one of these before, and I kind of googled how it was made. It was made out of the quinoa. Y'all know I can't pronounce that shit. But it's the falafel thing. I'm about to try it on camera with y'all, so we can get the experience together. I tried something else the other day too, and I was I should have just came and tried it with y'all. I think it was that Diet to Make Your Earth I had bought, and that supplement, because, child, let me tell you, them bitches got some taste to them. Yeah, you over here what the fuck? The other thing I got was some coconut flour, because it's gluten-free. And y'all know I like my fried zucchini and fried and stuff. And I use a lot of organic oils and shit. You already know. Spirit been telling me to get pumpkin seeds. These were the ones that were on sale. This shit cost a lot. When I was in there looking at the prices, I'm for some damn pumpkin seeds, baby. But listen, it is what it is. So I'm about to be topping my salads off with those. And last but not least, because again, I'm not supposed to be eating no fucking egg or anything that's gonna cause mucus in the body when it comes to dairy or anything like that, or eating meat. I'm going even looking at this meat in the store today, I'm just I just want to throw the fuck up. I can't believe I was just eating that shit. It just keep having me go back to when I was a kid. I was a very, 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 very picky eater, and it's probably why my body is so sick now. Because when I tell you, I ain't eat shit but noodles, noodles, rice noodles. I'll eat some chicken here and there, some fish here and there. You know what I'm saying? When black growing up, you really wasn't eating no steaks and shit and ribs and stuff like that. Unless you eating off your mama plate or something, or another grown up plate that might let you get some shit off their plate. So yeah, it's and then when it came to that other shit, eating liver and chitlins and all that type of crazy shit, I was not eating that. I was not eating no turkey necks. None of that. Turkey, none of that. If it wasn't chicken or fish, maybe I wasn't fucking with it. And I barely ate vegetables. I only really was eating fruit. And a lot of the fruit I was only eating was dates and prunes with my uncle. My granny was always giving us like apples and raisins and shit. And then if I'd be like at my mom or something house, like she always had like grapes and strawberries, watermelon, cantaloupe, shit like that. So, and a lot of yogurt. She always gives us hella yogurt. But this is the egg replacer. I'm gonna try to use this. None of this stuff is sponsored. This is just shit I went in the store and bought. Because this whole store is nothing but organic food. And I'm getting rid of the flour I got. Because I already got rid of the other flour stuff I got. I'm about to get rid of the cornmeal that's at my house. And I got this whole grain cornmeal. I should have probably got the medium one. But I don't know. But it's just nothing but straight corn. Like, nothing else in it. And I'm even looking at it. Like, it don't even look like the cornmeal that comes in this, like, what we normally buy. Which is crazy. Like, it just looks different. This is like the shit that they be feeding the chickens. Compared to what we get in the store in that other brand. So, yeah. I'm about to bust open this motherfucking falafel. I asked lady, I was like, have you ate a falafel before? She started laughing. She like, yeah. I said, I was like, am I supposed to eat it hot or cold? She was like, well... She's like, I feel like if you warm it up, it's going to get too dry. So she's like, I would just eat it like room temperature cold. Now, this little old couple over here is so cute. They're trying to get in the car. He done opened up the door for her. She's still trying to do some other shit. She's trying to make sure everything up in there. They is so fucking cute. She told him not to slam it. They so fucking cute, y'all. Shout out to them. They is so stinking cute. You can tell they've been married forever. Okay. Let's try the falafel first. I'm about to bang this egg salad. In the way I'm probably about to bang this shit. Because of my cravings is going to be just savage. So I don't even want to do that on camera. So this is Woody's Oasis falafel and sauce. Chickpea, fall bean, onion, parsley, water, garlic, pepper, spices, sesame seeds, sea salt, cumin, baking powder, baking soda, onion powder, salt, tahini, sesame seeds, lemon juice, salt, water, garlic powder is in the sauce. Okay. It smells like a hamburger. It smells good, like, or like fried chicken, like when the flour hit the grease, like, that's what it smells like. Okay. It smells really, really good. I like onions and paprika and all that type of shit anyways, so let's see. This kind of looks like hummus. It probably is hummus. That's why I said chickpeas. Woo. Woo. That shit's strong than a bitch. It definitely has like lots of flavor. It has an alright texture. I would definitely probably want this like room temperature. So I'm probably just gonna take like one little tiny bite. Okay, it's good. It's good. I would definitely fuck with this. I would definitely make this at home. I definitely see why the vegan community would go crazy about this. Because you can tell it's going to be filling. But however, baby, I can't get down with this shit being cold. I need like a little bit of warmth to it. But yeah, that shit fire. Okay, smacking hard as hell, but that shit good than the bitch. good than a summer bitch. Okay? I'm gonna fuck that up after my workout. Cause I'm about to eat this egg salad. I'm probably gonna go work out at this other gym that I'll never go to. Just to get like a new scenery. And then go to work. You feel me? You feel me? But then again, I'm like, I should have just went to the hair store first. Yeah, the hair store gonna be closed by the time I try to get over there. So that part really doesn't even matter. So yeah. And I'm about to fuck up this egg salad. But y'all stay tuned with me. Like I said, I'm getting rid of a lot of shit. I'm gonna have like a lot of hauls coming up. Get back on this supplement haul. I'm gonna tell y'all these story times of shit that's been going on. And all that type of good shit. Okay, baby. Like, yeah, because the way I'm trying to open up this egg salad right now, self-explain. But yeah. So just stay tuned to the channel if you ain't already hit them buttons you need to be hitting. Go ahead and hit them buttons you need to be hitting. I'm about to enjoy my, well, this ain't breakfast, but I'm breaking my fast right now. I can't believe I've been fasting all day. It's 7 o'clock. I'm just not about to eat. Crazy. And got hella food at home. Like, I even did my whole refrigerator, y'all. Like, when I say I got rid of all my meat, all sugar, like, I think I just kept the sugar that I had so I could do, like, make scrubs and stuff. Like, even if it was, like, expired, cause I like some coconut sugar and stuff that's expired. But I can still do, like, facial scrubs and stuff with it. Look at that crunch. Your guilty pleasure was a chip. Baby, I'm telling you. Them chips on this egg salad. Which I'm kind of mad I might as well have to give up eggs because I love me some fucking eggs. Like, because last time I did this vegan, only thing I would eat was like, so you basically say that because like I was kind of like keto. I wouldn't say I was all the way vegan. I was like pescatarian / keto. So I would eat eggs and I would eat fish. And I was eating turkey bacon. And I still eat yogurt and shit. And I was doing almond milk and soy milk, but baby, after this, it's that crunch for me. But you already know, 1323 on my clock is melanation, melon gang, melon pop, melon chicken over, period. Show. Y'all hit up them playlists for me, y'all. It's Black Page.